machiegni Kenya kod Ramogi kamano kuom medo kete mana e TV mar Ramogi kama jotelo ma pacho ka ogolo pachgi e wi twak ma ochiw gi jatend piny William Ruto kawuono e od bura. Jotelo go koriw koda ka jo od bura opuoyo moko kuom weche ma jatend piny owacho ka kata kamano gimedo sunde mondo mi oket maino e keto e tim singo mage.
From day one, the Adani deals were suspect. The Adani deals were wrongly placed, wrongly centered, and wrongly oriented. And therefore, what the president has done is to be accountable to the concerns of the people of Kenya.
President Ruto is coming out as a listening president, and this administration is changing the way they engage with the members of the public.
What has surprised me that as early as this morning, there was indications that the government is going to go on with the Adani contract.
Angalia ile mambo ambayo ameyakusia. Kwanza tukianzia hii ya Adani. Rais ameonyesha Wakenya kwamba nimesikia sauti zenu. Hii maneno ya Adani yote tuyafutilia mbali.
The state of the nation is as follows. Kenyans are hungry, Kenyans are broke, children and the education system is broken.
The issue of Taifa care, this is something Taifa means, the whole country, and it's something that is going to address matters held in this country.
With a very low inflation of 2.7% is a big indicator of our economic growth. With a GDP of 5.6% is also a big indicator of economic growth.